Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering where the 48-digit Bitlocker recovery key is commonly stored. Sign in to the Microsoft account tied to this PC and check the devices list. Once done, look for a recovery key entry. Make sure to inspect any USB drives or printed documents you or IT might have created when enabling Bitlocker. Finally, contact your administrator immediately to confirm whether the key was escrowed to Active Directory or Azure AD before moving to retrieval steps. Now you check centralized and local stores for the actual key. If your PC is joined to a domain, have the domain admin open the computer account in Active Directory and copy the stored 48-digit key. For Azure AD joined devices, search Devices then Bitlocker keys in the Azure portal. Once located, record the number. If you have local access, run Manage BDE Protectors Gitc. In an elevated, prompt to reveal key protectors and note any recovery key ID to match what you found. To complete recovery, enter the exact 48-digit key at the Bitlocker recovery screen or run Manage BDE Unlock C. Recovery password followed by the key in an elevated shell. Once the drive unlocks, suspend Bitlocker, then back up the recovery key to your Microsoft account or Active Directory before re-enabling protection to avoid repeat lockouts. If it fails, check the recovery key ID shown on the screen. Once you match that ID, verify other accounts, USBs, or ask IT to export the escrowed key. Mismatches are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.